I hear the plane guy. Thought that was my drone, then I just shot myself. Where is he? I can hear him, but I can't see him. Just seen that the plane guy from the previous video where the Pavo Pico burnt down, the guy's here today, so I'm gonna go say g'day and we'll have a little fly together.
Right.
I'm telling you, man, I think it was, I think it crashed pretty bad.
All over the shore.
Oh.
Yeah, but it's only the front.
Yeah, it's only the front because it went straight down, straight down.
Yeah. Well, we could fly this today, you know.
You think?
Yeah.
You think?
Yeah. Yeah, we could definitely fly this one today.
No.
I'm telling you. You'd be shocked.
The batteries come out at least.
Eh?
The batteries totally come out at least.
Yeah. I lost orientation straight away.
Yeah.
Straight away. Yeah, this could be flown today.
Wow.
Yeah. I've got foam tech.
Okay.
As long as the wings are fine, you will fly.
Maybe aerodynamic, not so good, but
yeah, we'll work with it in the air.
Yeah.
So I use foam tech. Unfortunately, I don't have much today, but it should be enough.
On the field rebuild.
Yeah. So the nice thing about this one is because it's got no retracts, so it's not so bad anyway. Where it had retracts, then
is that landing gear?
Yeah, exactly.
Landing gear?
Yeah. If it had those, then I would call it a day.
Yeah.
But yeah, if you've never seen a foam jet crash, that's how it goes. When I'm looking at it, it will fly another flight.
I think so now. I'm getting confident.
Yeah. You see how it's coming up?
Yeah. I can't believe it, to be honest. And the pilot survived just fine. He looks okay. He needs a little eject.
Yeah.
Is helicopters always lower?
Yeah. Helicopter always lower than the planes.
Okay.
Yeah. Always lower.
I'll hover again and wait.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. There we go.
Okay, I got you. Yeah. There we go. Yes. Yeah, it's quite fast.
Yeah.
Hello.
They're too low.
Oh shit, dude.
Yeah.
I'm coming down too.
I'll try aerobatics, but it's so low to the ground. So obviously it loses.
Hopefully
But it was good. It was good. At least it was right there.
At least we filmed it as
Yeah.
well.
See?
Oh, it's fine.
Yeah. It's because of the battery.
Yeah.
The battery is lighter.
Okay,
So
the heavy battery just...
Yeah. That one it just breaks everything. Nah, it was never gonna have it.
Shit, dude.
It was never gonna have it.
Oh. Not in the puddle at least.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, man. That sucks.
Nah, that was the end of it anyway.
Okay. Hey, we got some more good footage.
Exactly.
There's anything we can get out of it. Was it flying even worse that time?
Yeah. It was so wonky, just
So wobbly.
Humpty Dumpty style.
It was out of control.
Yeah. Every time you bank it,
Yeah.
it wants to go the other direction.
Oh my god.
The first time I managed, but this time it was like, you're lying.
That is a nightmare, man.
Well, we tried it. At
Hey,
least.
we tried. Hey,
Yeah.
we can always try again another time.
Yeah. At least now I can retire it in peace. Yeah.
True.
Everything's just gone to smithereens now.
God.
Every time it crashes, it's only the fuselage that breaks up. But the wings and everything, you can salvage it. But nah, this time proper. It's all the stuff that we joined up.
Every single piece back off again. All the hard work.
Oh, what a mess though.
Oh my
proper
god.
mess.
The lights, even the lights can't come off again.
Yeah. Right. This is what you call a proper mess.
This is a crash. Oh man.
With the lights and everything.
Hey. Better, right? Oh, this would have been perfect for following.
Yeah.
Of course.
That's it.
That was a perfect flight.